Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. I rise to respond to the question raised by the Honourable Member regarding the road connection from Yawe, Lomati, Daviqele at the southern end of Kadavu. This road project through the Fiji Roads Authority actually started in 2017, which involved the construction of a new 4.7-kilometer road along the Yawe district from Kadavu to Nangalotu. This was completed in 2021 despite the effects of COVID-19 disruptions, which had impacted on the logistics and schedules, including movement of contractors, labor and material supply. The contract was awarded to PREMS Civil Engineering Limited to upgrade the existing 9.7 kilometers road from Bunisea to Nambuko-Lebuira and the further construction of a new 4.7 kilometer road along the Yawe district for a total value of 5.3 million. The government through the IFRA is planning to progress with this new road development in the next phase from Nangalotu to Lomati, which is approximately 8 kilometers in length. Following this phase will be the road connecting from Lomati on the east coast to Daviqele on the south coast with additional 3.5 kilometers. These proposed road developments are part of the current FRA plan scope, which will involve the investigation and detailed design of the new road alignment. The necessary details of works will include topographical survey, environmental and social safeguards, including community consultations, geotechnical investigation, and necessary costing of the whole construction works. These planned requisite activities are envisaged to commence in the next financial year. Thank you.